Hello, welcome to the video manual for the Vasco Translator V4. In this chapter, I will walk you through the main menu along with the main features of the translator. The Vasco Translator V4 is our newest electronic translator with the main features of translating voice, texts and photos. It also has some additional features such as a group chat translation feature as well as a language learning feature. Let's move on to the main menu. After waking the device up, you will find the voice translator feature in the first position. Thanks to this functionality, you will be able to conduct a conversation in 76 languages. The second position of the menu is a photo translator. Thanks to this feature, you will understand, for instance, restaurant menus, newspapers, or warning signs in a foreign language. All you have to do is take a photo with the device. It will translate the picture you've taken into one of the languages available on the device. You can select from 108 languages. The third functionality of the menu is a text translator. This is an excellent solution for those who want to translate text or speech and get the result in a written form. You can choose from 90 languages. This smart translator also has a group chat translation feature called multi-talk. With this application, you can create a chat for up to 100 people, write or say a message in your own language, and get a reply in the same way. At Vasco, we're aware that learning foreign languages is very important. Thanks to the built-in Learning application, learning new words will become easy and fun. Are you bored while traveling? Take Vasco and improve your foreign language skills. The last item in the menus are the settings of the device. With them, you can easily adapt the translator to your needs. That's it for this part. I invite you to the next videos in which I will discuss all the features of the Vasco Translator V4 in detail. See ya!